Maybe a lot of you will be a little disheartened after hearing this, or you might feel a little low on confidence, but it should actually encourage you to do even better in the examination in the next attempt if you don't have a very good. Hello guys, welcome to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. So today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the result of the JEE Paper 2 or the JEE B.Arch examination. So as all of you know, the first session was held on 28th of January, and all the students who appeared for the exam are very tense and very curious when will the results be out, kab aayega, kaise rahega. Actually, we made a video regarding this, a short video, and we told you that the result takes up to 30 or 40 days to be published. Why is that? Because what happens is, unlike the JEE Paper 1, the B.Tech examination, the Paper 2 examination has drawing in it. Right, the mathematics and the aptitude portion is completely computer based, so usme a lot of time is not required for checking. But the drawing solutions, each and every solution, each and every student ke answers have to be checked manually by the group of teachers that are there in the NTA, and all the answer copies are scanned and given to them, so they manually check in each and every answer sheet. That is why the result is a little delayed as compared to the Paper 1 examination. And every year, it is not for just this year, every year 30 to 40 days lagte hain for the result of the session 1 examination to come out. That is why we told you to wait for some time, but a lot of news articles are there, Google Pay websites are posting, education websites, news valley websites, they want attention on their website, they want traffic on their websites. So they tell that result is coming tomorrow or today, and that is why a lot of confusion is there between all of you, between a lot of students ki kab aane wala hai, aayega ya nahi aayega. So don't worry, now it is approximately 24th Feb today, so 28th January ko exam hua tha. So you can expect the result anytime soon. Within 5 to 10 days, definitely the result will be out. And do not think a lot about it. Jab aana hoga usi time pe aayega. Telling anything or saying anything or commenting or searching anything won't change anything. So that is why just subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and we'll make sure we'll be the first one to inform you whenever the result is out. We'll even tell you in detail check kaise karna hai. So don't worry, just press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel, and all your problems will be resolved. बट इसके बाद क्वेश्चन आता है, रिजल्ट तो आ जाएगा, ठीक है, व्हाट विल यू गेट इन द रिजल्ट एंड हाउ विल यू डिसाइड वेदर इट इज अ गुड रिजल्ट और नॉट, बिकॉज बिफोर द सेकंड सेशन, जब तक तुम्हारा सेकंड सेशन नहीं हो जाता, दैट इज इन अप्रैल, एंड जब फाइनल रिजल्ट नहीं आता जब तक, टिल दैट टाइम यू वोंट बी एबल टू गेट योर रैंक. So how to expect and how to think कि कौन से कॉलेज में you can get admission as per the result of the first session. So for that, please do not skip any part of this video. I'll explain you in detail. परसेंटाइल का क्या मतलब है, हाउ इज इट रिलेटेड टू मार्क्स, हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आर गुड, कौन से मार्क्स से कौन सा कॉलेज मिल सकता है, एंड अगर तुम्हारे जो भी मार्क्स आने वाले इन द फ्यूचर, जो रिजल्ट आने वाले, व्हाट कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट, एंड आई विल आल्सो टेल यू ऑनेस्टली कि अच्छे मार्क्स तुम्हारे हैं या नहीं, एंड डू यू नीड टू इंप्रूव, एंड कितना इंप्रूव करना है टू गेट इनटू अ गुड कॉलेज बाय योर JEE स्कोर इन द सेकंड अटेम्प्ट. So watch the video very carefully. Before we move forward, I have a very big news for you. Sketch School of Art and Creativity is providing free 3 days demo classes to all the architecture aspirants that will give you a detailed idea about how to crack the NATA and the JEE B.Arch examination. You'll get to learn a lot of secret hacks and tricks that we provide to our students who have been the toppers in the past years. You'll get to interact with very experienced teachers, clear all your doubts, and also you'll get free access to live classes, mock tests, study material, and a lot more. So please do not miss this golden opportunity. Grab this right away by filling the form available in the description box, or WhatsApp us on the number that is visible on the screen right now. Before understanding anything, before discussing anything, the first thing you guys need to understand is the result format. Okay, so I'll display a result of a student of last year only, 2022 ka, so that you get an idea result kaise aata hai and how to understand the result, kiska matlab kya, what is the meaning of everything. Okay, so this is the result of one of our students who is right now in SPA Delhi in third semester probably, and he scored a general rank all over India, 172 rank. The total percentile scored by him is 99.67, and as you can see, he appeared for both the sessions, and best out of the two is considered as his final score. Okay. But if you'll have a closer look, you will see that the percentile, 4 percentiles are given for a single session. You have a percentile different for mathematics, different for drawing, and different for aptitude. As you can see, he has got 76.929 percentile in mathematics individually, aptitude में 99.758, and drawing में 96.1, and total is completely a different number. So what is the meaning of this? सबसे पहले let's understand the meaning of percentile. So this 99.678 percentile means that he is ahead of 99.67% of students who appeared for this particular examination. For example, if we say that approximately 1,000 students appeared for the examination, then this basically means that 996 students are below him, and he is in the top 4 students. ठीक है, तो दैट इज व्हाट परसेंटाइल मींस. द मोर परसेंटाइल you have, the better you have performed in the examination. So suppose you have 100 percentile, that means you are the topper, you have scored the rank number 1. Now the thing is, how is this total percentile calculated? Because you know mathematics, aptitude, drawing, सबका percentile अलग है. So it is not the average. So don't think कि तीनों के average से the total percentile is formed. So what is happening is ना 100 marks का तुम्हारा mathematics है, ठीक है, तो उस 100 मार्क्स में सबने इंडिविजुअली कुछ कुछ मार्क्स स्कोर करे हैं. सो 100 मार्क्स में से ये 76 परसेंटाइल का ये मतलब है ही इज बेटर देन 76% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, एंड बाकी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं आर बेटर देन हिम जो इस रैंक के बाद आएंगे. सेम एप्टीट्यूड में ही इज बेटर देन 99.7% एंड ड्राइंग में 96.1%. तो ये टोटल है. तो अब क्या होगा, मैथमेटिक्स में तुम्हारे मार्क्स अलग है, एप्टीट्यूड में अलग है, ड्राइंग में अलग है. तीनों को ऐड करोगे इंडिविजुअली और एक फाइनल स्कोर आएगा. फिर उसका कंपैरिजन जब होगा सारे स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में, उस बेसिस पे टोटल परसेंटाइल फॉर्म करी जाती है. सो आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर तुम्हारे सपोज मैथमेटिक्स में एज इस बच्चे के भी स्टूडेंट्स द मार्क्स आर नॉट वेरी गुड, 76 परसेंटाइल इज गुड बट नॉट वेरी गुड, it is actually in the average section. But as he has scored really good in the aptitude and the drawing section, his total marks are better than a lot of students, and he has still scored a rank of 172 and got into one of the best college for architecture in India. बात आती है मेन, बच्चे ये पूछते हैं कि how many marks are good in JEE Paper 2. So what happens is now you don't get marks actually, so you will never find out how much marks you have scored. ठीक है, what you will only find out exactly is your percentile. So उस बेसिस पे भी आई एम टेलिंग यू क्लियरली, इफ यू हैव मार्क्स 280 प्लस, अगर 300 प्लस है तो यू आर डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ द टॉपर्स. अगर 280 प्लस भी है, स्टिल यू हैव गॉट अ वेरी वेरी गुड रैंक. सो दैट इज हाउ यू कैन focus on your preparation. If you are scoring 280 plus marks in your JEE Paper 2 examination, you will definitely get into one of the top colleges that are there. So what I'm trying to tell you right now is, what I explained to you right now is कि ये परसेंटाइल जो तुम्हारी आएगी, सो मेन व्हाट विल मैटर इज योर टोटल परसेंटाइल. सो नो मैटर तो मैथ्स में ज्यादा अच्छे हो, ड्राइंग में ज्यादा अच्छे हो, एप्टीट्यूड में ज्यादा अच्छे हो, इन द एंड जो तुम्हारा टोटल स्कोर बन रहा है, दैट विल डिसाइड योर रैंक, दैट विल डिसाइड योर फाइनल परसेंटाइल. नाउ डेफिनेटली द रैंक विल नॉट बी रिलीज्ड इन दिस सेशन 1 रिजल्ट, द रैंक विल बी रिलीज्ड आफ्टर द सेशन 2 रिजल्ट. So that is why, let me tell you very very clearly, maybe a lot of you will be a little disheartened after hearing this, or you might feel a little low on confidence, but it should actually encourage you to do even better in the examination in the next attempt if you don't have a very good score in this time. So what happens is, now first let me show you, if you are taking admission via JOSA counseling, that is conducted by NTA, so there are a list of 13 colleges that are there which you can get into through the JOSA counseling. These are the list of colleges. ये सारे colleges हैं that you can see on the screen right now. So out of this, 3 are SPAs and rest you have 10 NITs. ठीक है, so NITs are state funded colleges and SPAs are centrally funded colleges. So इसमें क्या difference आ जाता है ना, the centrally funded colleges don't have any reservation for home state or anything. ठीक है, they have reservations for OBC and those things, but home state, there is no state reservation there. They are because centrally funded. But the state funded universities, the NITs, have reservations for home state. So suppose you are from Tamil Nadu or Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh or any state which has an NIT offering architecture, then you'll have some advantage because you'll have some reserved seats in your particular state. So now let's come back to our main point. Looking at these colleges, all of these colleges that are available to you, if you don't have percentile more than 98, ठीक है, 98 परसेंटाइल से अगर तुम्हारे कम है, एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी रिजर्वेशन एंड यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग एनी होम स्टेट कोटा, सो रिमूविंग ऑल द रिजर्वेशंस दैट आर देयर, ना कोई होम स्टेट कोटा है, ना कोई तुम्हारा ओबीसी या एसटी रिजर्वेशन है, then if you are falling below 98 percentile, then the chances are almost negligible to get into any of these colleges. But definitely if you have some home state quota or you have some reservation, then come percentile maybe you can get into one of these good colleges. To explain you a little more, suppose हम SPA Delhi की बात करें, that is the first one in the list. So SPA Delhi की 2022 में लास्ट ईयर में जो क्लोजिंग रैंक थी वो थी 204. So अगर तुम एक ओपन जनरल कैटेगरी से हो and if you have a rank below 204, then only you could have got into SPA Delhi in the last year. So that is how tough the competition is. So that is why our focus should be to at least score 98 percentile to get into any of these 13 colleges that are available to JOSA counseling. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is, अगर suppose तुम्हारी 99.5 percentile आ रही है, ठीक है, then you can expect that you might be or you will be there in the top 200 or the top 250 ranks that are there in India. So that is why in order to get into these colleges, you need to be ahead of the competition. No matter what score you get in the first session, you should definitely try to improve as much as possible in the second session. So for each and every college that you can see in front of your screen, you will have a closing rank and you will have an opening rank. Okay, so basically based on your rank, based on your result, you can have a clear idea that you are getting into any of the colleges or not. So that detailed video for the closing and opening ranks for home state, for quotas, for reservations, everything I'll make when the result of the session 1 is announced. Because abhi the result hi nahi aaya, you guys don't know how much marks you're going to get. So abhi watching that and understanding that won't be very beneficial, but still I've given you a rough idea कि कितने percentile में तुम क्या expect कर सकते हो as per the result that will come. But definitely after the result is out, I'll also make a very detailed video so that you get a very clear idea कि हाँ, this is what your chances are exactly as per your score. But definitely to watch that you need to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon if you have not done it till now, and I hope you have some clarity about the result and the expectations that you will have after the results. So thank you guys, see you in my next video.